Hello guys, today we are going to review on Primal Power or Primal Flow product. It's a prostate curing, prostate issues solving product. So per bottle contains 60 capsules. It's a dietary supplement. So today we are covering what's the use and how it will work and what are the ingredients they used in this. Is it really dietary supplement or really work to cure your prostate swollen problems? So today we are covering. Thank you. So please go through. So actually this PX7 Primal Power supplement is useful. It's a natural supplement meant to help address swollen prostate issues, which are bound to arise as they begin aging. When you go aging, it will come. So how this will use removing unwanted toxins from your body, balancing your body's hormones levels, reducing the pressure being placed on the prostate gland. So these are the main curing issues when you use this one. So enlarged prostate also and BHP. BHP and enlarged prostate problems also it will cure. So it is addressing the need to find an efficient legit solution for an enlarged prostate and BHP. So and also how I'm going to some here it is what the main causes: urine leakage, low urine flow, urinary tract infections. That's also impact your health is sexual life, and also this midnight take hit and some kind of problems also, penis bleeding through your penis. So some kind of problems will come. So infections will come through, from this prostate issues. So people will die also with this if you are not managed. If you are unable to handle this one. So what going? So you are covering how does it work. So they used many factors can cause an enlarged prostate. Known causes include career choices, various medications, and environmental pollution. They are all factors that can impact the health of the prostate. The chemical also we are covering. Ingredients used in the manufacturing. The patented formula PX7 Prime Flow features more than 50 herbal ingredients. They are used more than 50. Cat's claw. It's used to treat an enlarged prostate, as it has been seen to assist it in reducing swelling, inflammation, and treating infections. And reishi, maitake, and shiitake. The three are affected, referred as a mushroom complex, previously used by Japanese people, thousands of years in. They used this one here to cure your prostate issues. And also green tea, it has antioxidants, and also broccoli useful for resistant treating PHP, and also stomach ulcers, asthma, some kind of also they using stinging nettle. Many cultures across the world have used stinging nettle for hundreds of years. It's believed to be rich in antioxidants, minerals, and essential nutrients. Prime benefits. PX7 Primal Flow benefits: greater sex drive and better moods, treat and reduce the size of your prostate, increase overall energy and stamina, improve prostate functions and health, improve sexual health and erections, boost hormone balance and production, reduce the constant need to pee, remove the strain placed on your urinary tract, improve the urine flow and bladder control. So many there. There are some package digital details also there how to buy. So I go to another website. So people are purchasing. Robbie C from Portland, Oregon just purchased 38 minutes ago. So 6 bottle cost it is $49 per bottle, and also 3 bottles 59 per bottle, 1 bottle 69 per bottle. Rock A and Flanders just purchase 6 months supply. So very good, there are people purchasing. So there is 100% satisfaction also there. 60-day money back guarantee. You can buy and still if you are not working, you feel it's not working, you feel that maybe you can refund also. You can apply for refund. Emmanuel M from Stockholm also purchased now. So there are 5-star rating. All are giving 5-star. They used aged people, above 40 people, more people will get this one. Timothy M also 48 minutes ago, from New York, they purchased. So there are some questions also there. When I expect 37,500 people are used and benefited from this one. Kenneth B also 3 minutes ago they purchased USB. So it's also 60 days. Previously said it has 60 days money back also. So 6 bottle and also. So if you have a problem, Pat M and Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh also right. So people are purchasing and buying. So why don't you wait and check this one? If you have a prostate problem, please go through this one is working actually. It's a not a book, it's a physical product. So if you ordered, you maybe 14 days you will receive this product depending on the country you are living. So please check the website. I have given an official website link at the description of this video. Please go through and watch that video's presentation is there. So you watch the video presentation and also try this product. If you have it is a dietary product, you can try. So why don't you wait for, please check and go through. Thank you.